The stamp collectors. Ha?
Ano station?
Nakalimutan. Hindi. Cow siya? R number 6. Ano ba yung R number 6? Ayun o. Kaisyuan. So, pabalik tayo ng Dream Mall kasi gusto ulit ng mga bata bumili ng Pop Mart na kahiligan nila. Yan, si Kobe ang pasimuno. Kobe, tumingin ka dito. Kobe, ibenta mo na lang lahat yung Pop Mart. Ano ba tawag doon? Pop Cube? Benta mo na lahat yan.
Si Ate Susan na nagpapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapapap
tingnan nyo yung overpass, oh. Ganda. Galing. Di pa tayo ng light train. Ayun, oh. Di pa tayo doon. Para pa makapunta ng Dream Mall. Ito na yung pinunta nila. Pop Mart.
Sa akin, green.
Ha?
3 daw kunin natin.
3 ang kukunin nyo?
Sabi ni Ma.
Okay, bala kayo. Kobe, pakita mo naman yan.
So, Martingal.
Sana hindi na ulit. Oh.
Ito, sure hindi na ulit. Kasi
Tingin?
ngayon na namin bibili.
Oo.
Yung green lang. Yung first.
Paano kung pagparehas yan? Ano para kay ano? Noah.
Ha?
Yung
Tikto kami dyan.
blue at yung green. Yung blue at yung green.
Okay, thank you, Mama.
Para nila.
Pera pala nila yan, guys. Pera nila yan. So, now, nabili na nila yung kailangan nila. We are now going to Sanfeng Temple. Maganda daw doon.
So, Pop Mart, Sanfeng Temple, there's a picture sa akin. Yung night market.
You want to take a picture, Noah? Sure. So, we are heading to Sanfeng Temple. Yan, para sa pictures and videos. Hi guys! Ni hao! So we're at Sanfeng Temple in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. Ganda. Para sa mga photographers and mga content creators. Ganda, bisitahin ito. 300 years na daw to, sabi ni Celine. Nandito kami sa may second floor. Ni hao!
Spicy. Not spicy. No spicy. Okay, sauce 这样。
So it is $100 Taiwanese dollars.
Okay, thank you.
谢谢。
谢谢。
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
So we're back at the night market.
And Shui. Shui, okay.
Gusto pa ni Siling kumain.
And
Wawa naman. Ano yung free?
Hindi, pinatry niya kung talaga yung ano.
yeah, okay. Shui. Okay. Alright, thank you.
谢谢。
Ito ba yun? Bakit nag-iba yung color?
Same lang yan, baby. Chicken.
Plastic. Oh, lagyan mo sabihin. Okay lang. Lagyan mo ng kanin.
Makanin pala yun. Plain mo naman.
Sticky rice. Parang kakanin.
So, ano yan?
Merong suman.
Sticky rice.
Tsaka
Sticky rice tapos sinandwich yung Taiwanese sausage. Sarap. Sarap yung sausage.
Try it.
Yan, try ni Kobe. Oh! 谢谢。
커피. 어루요.
So 100, 150, and 200. Stinky tofu, the famous. Wala to kahapon eh.
Later, I'll bring it to you later.
Okay. You were not here yesterday.
Oh, yeah, true.
Yeah, you were close.
Today, yeah.
$80. You were close yesterday. We were here.
Oh,
We were looking for you.
different.
Ito na yung hinahanap-hanap ni si Stinky Tofu. Moment of justice. Good? Stinky Tofu. Go Noah, eat one.
Very good. Eating ng tofu si baby.